everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have an order from Wool Warehouse that I can't wait to show you. So let's take a look at what I got from Wool Warehouse. So the first thing I got, which I have not seen here, but I'm sure other people have seen it in the US, I got Shawl in a Ball Fab. It's different than regular Shawl in the Ball, and it is 5.3 ounces or 150 grams, 459 yards or 420 meters. It is 40% cotton. It is a 30% polyester, 20% acrylic, and 10% wool. Obviously, it is a 4-weight, and this color is called Gossamers. And here's what it looks like. It's pinky purples. And it is absolutely beautiful. I thought I'd show that to you, and here's the other end of it. You see that? How pretty is that? So I got 4 skeins of this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And find my receipt here somewhere. And for this, for the Gossamers, I got 4 of them, and it was 27 pounds and 16 cents for 4 of these. So I got 4 of them. The other 3 are still sealed in a bag, so I got those. And then I got this lovely by Stylecraft, and it's called Dreamcatcher, and that is gorgeous. Love that. So let's take a look at the details. It is, wait for it to come in, it is 150 grams. It is made in Turkey. Turn it this way. The color is called Cheyenne. And then we will go this way. It is 90% premium acrylic, 10% wool, and it is a DK weight. There is 435 meters or 476 yards. And there it is, and this is it. And I got 3 of these. Yeah, I got 3 of them for $17 and for 17 pounds and 97 cents. And that is beautiful, and it is really, really soft. It's definitely soft. It is super soft and really, really nice. I can't wait to work with this one either. I absolutely love this. Love that. And of course, they always come in their bags. That's not all I got. I also got this. Let me get it. I got a canvas bag by Sheep G's, and I paid $2.99 pounds. And here's the front. It says Sophie's Garden, and there's the front. It is a very sturdy canvas bag. And here's the back, and the back has Sophie's Universe on it, and it does have sheepies on it. So that is fantastic. Absolutely love that. Gorgeous. I got this bag because I plan on working with some friends of mine in a few months. We're going to do a make-along, and we're going to do Sophie's Universe together. And I just had to have the bag to put my stuff in. But what I wanted to tell you was, for what I bought, I paid £5.99 for express international delivery. That was it. And I ordered it on the 23rd of May, and I got it on the 26th of May. So that was extremely fast shipping. Very surprised how quickly I received it. So if you're thinking of order from Wool Warehouse, don't worry about shipping, because shipping is fantastic. It was very fast, absolutely fast. I'm overly thrilled. So I got 7 skeins of yarn in a bag, including shipping. I paid £54.11. It was worth it to me because of what I was looking for. You can find other yarns on there at a cheaper price than what I paid, but that shipping was outstanding, and it was so fast. So give Wool Warehouse a check and see what you can find something you'd like. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.